Good day, my friends. How are you today? So I am building the Ryefield models Panzer 3, just the exterior one. So you can see here we've got some torsion bars. Now I've just painted it with a bit of red brown, so it's a little bit shiny. And then you've got your suspension down here. So you got your suspension torsion bar arms thingies there. But it's the first actual torsion bar system that's workable, that actually works. It's really good. So these come down, they flick back up, they go into the right position. You see that one? Oh, I actually knocked that one out of its thing because I went too far. But yeah, that moves. Flick, see, flick, 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 flick. I'll put in some stoppers to, make sure they stop at the right spot. But it works. It actually works. And it's going to hold everything up. So it's a good little learning lesson too, to learn about how these things work and stuff. So you put in, those parts there, and that's where the torsion bars hook in, and they hook in a certain way. So you glue that in there. But I just glued these front ones up, so they're still a little bit loose. But these rear ones I did last night, and you can see they just flick up, like, because they're dried. They're really good. So fantastic first impressions of this Ryefield model here. I've heard some terrible things about the one they did. So they based the new interior stug off this kit. So there's another box where they're driving over a riverbed or something. But that's the full interior one. This is the exterior only one, which is a lot cheaper. So yeah, just this part here. So it's really easy. Every step's really easy because I've been doing a lot of mini art lately, and every step's mental. But yeah, just really simple steps. Really easy instructions too. Like, it shows you where to put the glue and everything. Like, it's very clear. There's clear instructions. Everything makes sense. And then and every step's not too busy, they just do a couple of things. So yeah, my first impressions of Ryefield models is pretty good. Like, they do pretty good stuff. I don't like them as much as mini art, but I really do like them. They are a top quality model company. Alright, I just thought I'd show you those torsion bars and how they work. We'll get this thing finished. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.